Back at it again. Hey YouTube, how y'all doing? I ran into these guys at the gun show a couple weeks ago, and then today I ran into this one at church. So he said he was heading out to go shoot today with his dad, and it so happened I ran into them at the ranges. They were coming to the same gun range today, so it so happened I have all my Glocks out here. I have the Canik. We're gonna do this Glock versus Canik lineup today, matchup, whatever you want to call it. So that's what we're doing. We're really gonna get into this. So I hope they have fun, and yes, we'll get to the shooting. Feel free to check out my guns, and if you ever run into me at the ranges, you're welcome to shoot any one of my guns. Actually, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I want to go to different gun ranges and, just set up and just have a ball. I love when people shoot my guns, check them out, see how they run, just see how my setup is. So I've been working at it, getting these pieces together so they can be, some nice clean shooting machines, however you want to call it. But I spend a lot of time working on them to get them to shoot the way I want them to shoot, so without any further ado, I'm gonna get these guys loaded up and we're gonna get this shooting. So let's get started. So you can see in the thumbnail we're working on that Glock versus Canik video today. So we're ready. Let's see how she do.
Nice, right? That one's nice.
First rule, treat the firearm as if it's loaded. Good. The second rule is don't ever touch the trigger until you acquire your target. The third rule is always keep your muzzle pointing down range or in a safe direction. The fourth rule is know your target. Say you're in a defensive situation, you got to take a shot. Know your target and what's beyond your target. That's number 4.
We back again. I got my nephews out here. We're about to get the shooting. This is their first time. They went over the safety rules. So we're just gonna get the shooting. Let's see how this goes. Range is hot. You don't want to be jumpless.
So DJ, this one could fit in this one, right?
Yeah.
Like all of them, right?
Yes.
That one? I heard that one. Video?
If you try them and they don't fit, if you try them and they don't fit, which means they'll just fit in those two.
Okay.
Because those two are compact frames.
Yeah, I haven't shot those. So I shot 1, 2. Three. I shot this one already. I don't think I got a video with it. Matter of fact, I know I didn't do this one. If you get on that one, then I'm taking a picture of his gun. You got your new Canik out too?
Huh?
Canik you bought? Yeah, we shot it like 3 times.
Shot it?
I don't know if I did. Oh, did that one, right?
Yeah.
I did shoot it, yeah. I hit middle with this one. That was a good one. Do you wanna? That was on. I can leave it on side.
Yeah, just rub it in here or something.
Okay.
Shoot the candy.
Irish.
You like the Eagles?
Yeah, that one. I hit center with that.
That's a great purpose frame. That frame just fits like butter in your hand. Yeah, I didn't have to do a whole lot of work to get that frame to fit, but like my Glock frames, I had to do a lot of shaving, a lot of just to get them to fit my hand right.
Yeah, you might not have no more bullets for yourself, man.
Bullets at home.
Oh, I grabbed them the hollows you didn't show me.
I can use this one for this one.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Wait, no, wait, hold on.
Yeah.
I don't know. He said that those are the compact ones. You got. I don't think those ones you can use. Take it out. Yeah, check it out. I don't know. I think it works. It's already loaded. Yeah.
Yeah. There's the one for that.
Yes, that.
That sounds like you just racked my 17. I know when my 17 is something.
Put the fingers on.
Yeah. Put the finger down. Your fingers on the slide.
Oh, that was my dagger?
Man, click though. What he said? Yeah, it came out. Yeah, so that one goes in the compact one.
It's cool. Just put it back in. It wasn't set all the way in. Just
So these are the ones.
tap racket.
So that.
Yeah, it's in there.
Yeah, it was in there.
Make sure you hear this shit.
Yeah,
right here.
you touched the mag release. Yeah.
See, you touch it.
Okay.
You have to be careful. You
Oh,
not
okay, I
touch
got
that
you.
button.
Where's my phone?
Drop the slide though.
That's my phone you got, Yogi? Yeah. All right.
You gotta send this video,
Chill.
So that wasn't him. That was the mag release.
Chill.
It's going out. So I'm in process of changing the mag release. And we'll be back in business on that battery. So currently. I don't know if this mag have a problem, but okay, it is coming out. We're gonna condemn this mag. The mag is dropping out. I don't know why.
See, I know it wasn't tripping. I wasn't hitting no button.
Go ahead, man. Don't be scared. We don't call no fouls.
Let me see it. I'm over there having fun.
It's an obvious phone.
I got two bullseye with this one.
Yeah, I know. I see. That's why I said that.
I hit bullseye with everything on here. Don't play with. That ain't got nothing to do with Canik. Yeah, that's the shooter. Those fall right beside the bullseye. So I'll have you see all five right there. So I should move this one just over slightly that way. But Buddy Carey zeroed this for me at the indoor ranges. So it was way closer. Oh, go ahead, man.
I like this one. This one.
Saber.
Yeah.
I brought these extended mag welds on.
No, that's not it.
Y'all let me know when y'all want to come back out. I'll bring all long guns.
Nah. I shot off out, right?
Try it again. Just push it out there and squeeze. Maybe you didn't get any lock back.
Okay. That one? That one? That you just shot? The Eagles one?
Eagles? Yeah, that'll fit in the that's not the Eagles though. That's the saber. That'll use this saber mag. Yeah, the longer one. Yeah. Oh, yeah. But you don't have to load. It will work with any one of these. So yeah. Yep. You can shoot on either target if you wish. If that one got too many holes. Stop for a second. See where your impacts are above the bullseye?
Yeah.
Just come down like this much. Yeah.
Okay.
Come down like 4 inches.
Good. Move to the left a little.
Colors.
You're back on top.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Huh? You want to shoot the last 3? That one feel good, bro.
Yeah, that one was jamming.
We never had a jammer, huh?
First time. We got 2 more.
Run another mag, see if it works. This one should work. I don't like no jams. I want to make sure she run all 5.
So the Canik is your new competition gun now?
It's my new match gun, but I already have. This is my original match gun. That's what I shoot with. Yeah, and I just built that one, so that kind of took this, and then the Canik just came and just
Take the place.
yes. It's gonna be either the Canik or the Glock 19, and you keep the shadow like a backup because the shadow, so far, is having the worst trigger. That's the only gun I haven't done any work to. That's straight out the box like that. That and the Canik, absolutely nothing done to them. Everything else has work done.
I want to shoot the shadow.
The shadow. Which one you want to shoot?
No, I want to know the other one that you got.
Okay.
That'll be. Does this one work?
This one.
So the shadow could hold any one of them?
This one, that one. Yeah. My everyday carry? Well, I carry this one today because I don't usually carry that. I don't have my everyday carry gun with me. It's home. It's taking a break. It's Sunday.
Shadow system. What's this, the DR920L?
The R920L with the CH Precision green. Yeah. So we got green on green there. And the one on the CH also.
This was good. It feels so good in my hand, bro. It feels so good.
That's because here, you see what I do? I actually shave off anything offensive. See, even though I cut some texture where I don't want it rubbing on my hand. So yeah. Because if I'm running the gun all day, I don't want to get any sore spots in my hand.
Right.
So yeah. So that's what I do with every gun.
Bro, look.
Nice one. This one's nice. I need to shoot that one. Which one to take? This one?
It takes.
This Glock and Clones.
Yeah, you can use that one.
Yeah, I used.
You can put it in there, shoot it.
I got you.
No, you don't have to put that still.
I'll put this on
We
the
only
side.
put the flags in when we're going down the range.
That arm pushes this way, and this one pushes that way.
Nice, right? You're giving me a fever, man. You go to another the next gun show in August? I think I might go get a boot pump shotgun.
Shotgun.
Yeah.
I only got one shotgun. I have a bull pump shotgun.
Still ain't gain control of
Actually,
this.
yeah, I do.
Aim down, so when you, like, you know what I'm saying? So when you
Oh, what
I
else
want
you want
to
to
shoot
shoot?
this one.
right in the
So
middle.
which mag does this one hold?
This one will work in there.
And fat yourself. So you can push your weight to it.
This
You know
jump.
what I mean? If you stay like this, you just
So that's
Yo.
use your legs to keep.
that's the build that start all the builds, cause yeah.
Hope the mag don't drop on me, right? Chill. Yep.
It's that gun.
It's the gun.
It's the gun, cause that's not the
Try to make sure it's
that's not the same mag.
You're out there.
Huh?
Yeah, it's the gun.
So what? So this not the original mag?
It's a dagger. I don't know. Maybe I did too much work to it. If it keeps happening, I'm gonna change out this mag release, cause I think I polished off too much inside so that I could get a nice entry, and I think I took off too much. Yeah, I think I did. Yes, it's my mag release.
Okay.
I'm gonna park this one.
So you want to load these? I'm not. I already shut the bullet. You okay? There's no more over there? No.
I'll load them up.
The last one? This is my favorite one. This is my favorite one. So I can use this one.
Ironically, yes. The last time I brought them out, the RSO, that was his favorite also.
Oh, snap.
But that was before I built the 17, so.
Okay.
Because I just complete that build. So your favorite is the custom dagger?
This is my favorite one. This is my favorite one.
His favorite is the custom dagger. With the Ramjet Afterburner combo. I think you like the optic the best, probably. That's the
Probably,
only
yeah.
difference, because this one is easy to aim. I don't know, because
But
yeah,
it's a handle.
that one has crosshairs in it, so that could be why you like that one the best.
It's easier for him to see.
I can't tell which one I like shooting the best, so because I tune them all to shoot kind of the same.
It's like I like how it holds, you know.
Yes, it do have that grip that just melts in your hand.
I got the hoodie. Go put the hoodie on. Sure.
That's the only thing with that one, it don't lock back on your last round, so yeah. But
I like that one. What's your favorite? That's my favorite
shoot
one.
this one just after them.
Huh?
I like shooting this one with one of these mags. Well, not that mag, but one of these here. Because I cut the grip to work with this mag, so turn it into a full-size grip with those.
Oh, this one has some weight.
Yeah. That one has a sensitive trigger. Malfunction.
Copy.
Yep. So yo, I got. These two right here. I got 2 more for you. For your done. Oh wow, never mind, yo, we got more. Only 5, but as long as you got 5.
I think it's your grip, Bob.
Huh?
I think it's something with your
Yeah, I'm just put 5 just to be safe.
Be safe.
No, I can't. This is my first day shooting pistol, so.
Okay, well, have at it, man. Jerk yourself in. I'm gonna keep loading. You just keep shooting.
Yo. Shit changing color on me. Yeah. Can I load the last 2?
I'm good.
You want me to put it right here, or you want me to put it in here? I think these are my 2 favorite right here.
Which ones?
These 2 right here.
They're the same gun.
Huh?
These are the same gun.
For real? They feel good.
This is the factory one. This is the one I built.
These are. I like the weight. They're not too heavy, but not too light. So what are these?
Sabers.
It looks like you're hitting nothing, bro. What's wrong with the Glock? Oh no.
Glock. This is a Glock. These 2 Glock 19s. The one I park is a Glock 19. I'll get this tool off the table. Glock 19X, Glock 17.
Yep.
Yeah,
Okay, and this was the one you bought the other day, right?
yeah that's
This
the Canik.
Yeah, I got you. I'm around the store too. I gotta delete some shit. Go ahead.
So you like the daggers better than the Glock?
Yeah, I like these.
Wow.
Is that a surprising thing to say? Is it?
No, it's this is a well-tuned dagger, so it's not really a dagger anymore. It's more
okay.
like a radiant something.
Yeah, these are my two favorite right here.
But this one's straight out the box with absolutely no work done to it.
Oh, so you bought it like that?
Yeah, so they
Press the button down.
They made this one like custom, all the stuff you would buy and put on this one. That one comes with it. Like I put the mag well on. I bought the frame. I put a Glock trigger in, a polished trigger. So trying to match that one. So it's just, you know how many times I've changed the triggers and changed the springs just to get it to shoot that way. So
I like this one. I feel like this is my favorite one. This is my favorite one.
So you're the third person that out of all the guns, that's your favorite one. So far since I've been throwing my guns on
So
the table.
which one's the most like?
Huh?
Which one's the most like? Like which one's the one everybody say I like this one?
Most people like this one.
Okay.
But
How you that one? How you like that one? Sweet. It's better than the Canik? No, these ones are better.
It's the weight, bro.
which one you prefer, the Canik or the Glock?
The Canik. The Canik is. This is really good. And this is still stock. Like you never put anything on there yet, right?
No,
Other than the
I'm
sight?
not doing anything to it because I want to shoot it in the matches, so I can't do any work to it.
Oh,
It's a
okay.
competition pistol, right?
Yeah.
Okay, see, alright.
So my 3 competition guns here is 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
So yeah.
The cannon? Well, for me, it's like heavier.
Yeah, but it don't kick too
Because
much.
it's all steel, that's why.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it don't need a compensator or anything. It holds itself down.
Matter of fact, I'm shooting this shit again. Like, bro. You can't let it go. It's like a fever. Like you can't let it go.
With the glove.
This right here, the Canik, it's like an addiction. Yo. Ready? I'm hitting the left target. Bullseye. Woohoo! Too high. First shot bullseye, bro. This gun.
Are you all in? When you press up, right?
Yeah.
Come to the wall, double confirm on your aim, and then break the trigger.
Okay.
Travel the trigger all the way back.
All right.
That's why you're shooting up that high.
All right.
Just you got the wall, and then break it. So when you travel all the way back, you either pulling up or you're pulling that way. So you see those 2 on the left?
Yeah.
That's you travel too far back.
Okay.
So with this, any gun, just get to your wall and then break it. So
Okay.
right there, on the target and break. So see,
Okay.
it's no movement on the gun. So see how much better you will do. Yeah, you high and left.
High on left.
Mm-hmm. Bullseye. Bullseye. High and left again. Bullseye again.
That shit works. What the fuck? That shit works. That shit works. Holy shit.
Damn, that's actually smart though.
Bro, that shit works. Bro, you gotta try it. Try it. That shit works.
He said that shit works. Is this one right? The metal one?
Yeah.
Yeah, the middle one.
I'll load you up one real quick.
Bro, look at the box itself. Crazy.
So you taught yourself, or?
I watch a lot of YouTube videos. Of course, I teach myself and train a lot. So yeah, every time I see something that somebody says may work, I try it.
Right.
But I really started training handguns like a little over a year ago because I sucked ass. I couldn't even hit the board.
Oh, okay.
But with the rifle, I can hit anything anywhere, so I don't care. But I had to step up my handgun game, and then I started building a bunch of handguns. Shooting on the upper target?
Huh?
Shooting on the upper one?
Oh, on the left.
Okay.
Here. Got another one. Let me get this one.
And just before you take your shot,
The wall?
no, I'm saying you walling up, but you're still tensing up just before your shot, so you're pushing
Okay.
your gun down. So
Okay.
yeah, don't do that
tense up.
just before you take your
Okay.
shot.
It's like you try to catch it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just let it surprise you. Let it, yeah. There we go. That's a lot better. Yes. Mhm. See, yeah, but he's not doing this before a shot now. Though.
Yeah.
He kept going
Yeah,
straight
but
up.
you
Well,
You know, boxing, they say, don't, I ain't gonna hit your target if you blinking.
This is for the what?
the gun you love,
The gun you-
the 19X. Your brother loved the orange one. You love the tan one.
I know that. Oh, yeah, rectify. So.
Same thing. Wall up.
This one. Like this one?
Yeah, that's got it.
You want to shoot that one?
Which one?
This one.
Okay. I'll get a couple of those.
So we got a couple mags over
Oh
here.
yeah, well those will work in there. Yeah. Yeah, that works.
No, not that one. Not that one.
Not that one.
This one.
The Glock.
The metal ones are for this one. And which one is that one again?
That's the homemade dagger.
Okay, the home. You say you don't want? You don't like it?
Yeah.
Oh, you like it?
Nice. Don't record too hard.
Yeah.
So soften up your recoil. This is what's softening up the recoil. So we got the afterburner ramjet combos. I got a couple of cheat codes.
Huh?
No, it'll go too hard.
I got a couple of cheat codes because this one is to soften up the recoil because it has a ported barrel.
And you bought it like that? Or-
I just buy a ported barrel. Yeah.
So you recommend to get a quarter barrel?
If you're gonna shoot in a match, no. But if you wanna bust up the bullets on the ranges, definitely.
So if you get the ported barrel, you also gotta get the slide too, right?
Yeah. So I just had that slide laying around the house. So I decided to build a gun. So I bought a frame. This frame is $54. And I had all my parts just digging through my drawer. I found the trailer. I had so much shit in my drawers
So
that I
you
built
got
this
stuff
shit
you
that
want.
was in the drawer. I got this magwell. A dude on the ranges say, "I see you got magwells in all your guns. I have a magwell that I don't want. Do you want it? It was blue, so I turned it silver." So yeah.
Oh, that's nice. We
Wait,
still got
how
mags
many
over here, bro.
lumens is the TLR?
Huh?
How many lumens is the TLR to Streamlight?
It's pretty darn bright.
Bro, we got coming
Don't
tonight,
mess
bro.
with the surefire though.
Yeah,
All my lights are good.
Right in the
All my
middle.
lights are good. I don't get no lights that don't work.
I'm trying to get stuff.
That one don't work. That one caught on fire. Smell it. It was like months ago it caught on fire.
Oh yeah, smell it. Like burnt metal.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I'm trying to get stuff from my gun, but too pricey, man. Too
Oh,
pricey.
you don't like this broken. You don't like that.
So you get all your pieces during like gun shows, or you get them online? Because they pricey.
Most of them come online.
Yeah, I'm trying to upgrade my gun, but it's pricey.
Only fans. You know what that is? Only fans.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I already got some stuff in the cart that I want, but it is expensive.
It is an expensive hobby.
Yeah.
Oh, we're about to see some real work.
Yeah. Well, that's
Because he wanted to slide from SLR.
that's the mag one I got from SLR.
Yeah, I was gonna get the mag ones from here too.
For real?
Yeah.
Gold plated or you gold plated it yourself?
I just bought a gold slide from Safari Precision.
Oh, okay. They came gold plated like that?
You can. I don't want to. No, I just want the anodized one. I don't want gold plated money. I do, but I'm not gonna gold plate a Glock.
Which one? I think I shot every single one of them.
Yeah.
I didn't even peep the trigger he had on this one.
I don't think I shot the camo one though.
Okay. Well, that'll fit this mag.
I think it's the same as this one.
This mag here.
This mag?
Yeah.
You like this one, right?
No, I like this one and the Canik.
You
This
just like
one's
this
good.
one?
This one's good. But these two right here are just beauty. So this is the what? 19? No, this is not the 19.
It's the same thing as this, a saber.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's that's original. That's a factory saber. So nothing is done to that either.
okay.
All it
It
got
came
is
like
some
that?
paint on it.
Oh, it came like that.
Factory, bro. This
Yeah,
is factory?
Well, I put a compensator on.
Okay.
it. Yeah. And that compensator is only $20. eBay.
What? I'm about to get on eBay.
I like this one, but it's just too much recoil for me. This is heavy. This one hits heavy. Like I can see those over there. I think I shot these so much. I'm not ready for that one.
She is kind of rough.
Yeah.
And especially shooting that after you shoot this one that I softened up a whole lot because you can tell the difference with the slide. You just feel the difference. But that has a compressor guide rod in it. That's why. I changed the weight on that. That only has a 15 pounds, so I could adjust the weight on the guide rod spring, so I could adjust my tension. So yeah, wow. So that one is so much easier to rack. We still got more ammo over here, so keep shooting.
And if it's any one of these mags, this one.
Yeah, yes, anyone but yeah. Yes, that will work. This one wouldn't. This would work only in these two ones. So that's your brother's favorite, right?
Yeah.
there, yeah.
Let's see what's the height.
Watch it, don't kick too much.
Oh no, I ain't shoot this one yet.
Oh, you haven't?
Nope. I see why he likes it. Huh? That's a good one. I haven't shot. That's my first time shooting it because I remember the sight.
Shoot it again. Yeah, that one. That's special.
This is a good one. This is really good.
You know, I got you on camera saying that like 18 times, right? This is a good one.
This is a good one right here. Bro, I like the sight because you can find the dot faster.
Yes, that's the one thing with that one.
You can find the dot
With
faster.
the 19X, It takes the longest to find the
yeah,
dot
it
on
takes
that
so
one, but
long.
with that, yes, you're right. That's.
I think if I get a sight, it would have to be the circle and the dot because you find that dot super easy.
Yeah. Well, I got a way to find the dot easily. So, what you do, you just come up and you aim regularly with your iron sights.
Okay.
Just come up with your aim. Don't look for the dot. Just come up with your aim on your iron sight and see what happens.
So like iron sight?
Yeah, come up with your iron sight.
Okay.
You see what happens?
Okay.
Yeah. So I use my iron sight.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Oh, yo, he's teaching me the hacks, bro. so usually when I aim, I'll be looking for the red dot.
Yeah, don't
So
look
I'm like,
for it. It'll fall right into place. Don't look for it.
So all I gotta do is just look
Aquí
at
no
the iron
vi
sight.
un día que no se vuelva para mí.
Oh my god. Wait, that's what the back.
So like whole time, right? I'm like this trying to look for it, right? And all I gotta do is look for the iron sight. And it's right there.
Oh, why you teaching the cheat codes, bro?
Huh?
He's teaching the cheat codes.
He's just teaching, like, bro. Bro, the wall thing he was showing me though, that changed it.
Oh yeah,
That
that's
definitely
smart.
changed it.
That's smart.
Because then he said, yeah.
I got 250.
You already
you
have
got
it. You
first spot, yeah.
move your finger a little bit right there.
I know.
Because
I thought when we was at the race and I told you grade 1,000 rounds and you was like, no, but I got 250.
that little bit of travel you have,
Now you
but
see why I said
there,
grade 1,000?
it's 2
I
inches
still got
difference up
400 in
there.
the house.
So get to your wall, double
500, but I
confirm.
grown stuff from last time.
Yeah.
Because I'm going again with my girl, but
I got you, mira.
Reload.
Este tipo,
Yo,
mira,
you still got
que
3
nosotros
mags over here.
On the low.
Usually I give him to Gary, but he not hearing it. So.
I got to shoot.
I want you to move yours, bro.
This thing is super special.
Alright.
I say all the haggling I didn't have,
Huh?
all the haggling at the shop was
Yeah.
worthwhile. Yeah.
He got you,
I could-
but he got you
I-
good.
you got me good. Look at that group in the bullseye on the top. I got him.
Yeah. It was crazy. I was like,
I put all the shots on the top of the bullseye. Huh? Got a load of bags. All right, I'll just do it with this one. Which one?
top.
What brain is this? 115. I think 115 grain. I use 124. These guns like heavier grains.
Alright, bro.
Those were right below. You see that little thing right below? It's,
Yeah.
they're right below it in the black. But we can't. You see them on the bottom?
Yeah, unlike
So
on
that
the
one
front.
grouped on the top. This one grouped on the bottom.
So is it because like your sight is off or?
One might be zeroed slightly closer.
Okay.
So remember your zero is your point of impact where your barrel is lower and the optic is here, right? So as we travel out there, they meet at a point. So that's your point of zero.
Is this right? When
So-
you change it right here?
Huh?
Is this the distance?
What?
This right here. Because you could change it like up and down, right?
You'll do that in the dot. I painted that on there. This is nail polish. I just paint that on, so when I push my gun out, I could instantly see this and find my iron sights, so I'll find my dot, because I want to use this in the
Oh,
matches.
that's the
So,
back iron sights.
yeah, so I could find this faster. This is nail polish. I painted that.
Oh, so I realized you don't got the.
The back iron sights.
Yeah, you don't got. Okay. Bro, he got all the hacks. He got all the cheat codes.
I have all the cheat codes, but this one, when you line it up, I put the nail polish right there. So look, when you line it up, you'll see 3 green dots in the line. So yeah, because that's my first.
Bro.
Yep.
You don't have to look for anything.
You don't gotta look for it, bro.
What? I gotta see this.
It is like really small, but you don't really gotta look for it that hard.
Because the black irons are blacked out, so you instead of trying to find it, I just put a dot between the black.
Right.
So
Well,
you line,
see,
you just
know
like
lined up. Yeah.
So everything is like that. I painted this one on too.
That's so smart. I thought that came like that. I didn't know you did that.
No,
That's
I
crazy.
I stole my wife's green nail polish because I noticed that's the one that's easiest to see.
Yeah.
And I just paint every fucking thing. Excuse my language. I paint everything. I paint on the top of that post.
I need to do that
Oh
for
my
mine.
god, you got a night.
Yeah, I need.
No,
to do
I
that.
paint them on just so I could
So you
see
got your
them
own
faster,
type-
so I could acquire my target faster because I always use my irons. Yeah. So what I'm doing, the only thing I'm doing to this, I'm getting some tall front posts. I'm gonna get a taller post, so I could even be faster with this gun. Okay. Yeah. Everything's I paint everything. Everything is I painted it.
That's so smart.
Man, I'm trying to win.
How about shoot the last for you, and then we go pack it up.
All right, so I guess we're done. I'm gonna start packing up. Be out of ammo, we might as well be done.
Yeah.
Oh no, we're not out. I'm gonna shoot this last
How I
mag.
turn off the how I turn on the light? Yeah, you still got something.
Push this down with your finger.
I didn't even shoot this gun all day.
You just flick it up.
Yeah, flick it back up. If you do it December, you hold it.
Okay. Yeah, but you got lube coming all out.
Yeah, because I just moved it up before you came here. I got clean.